Student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 trigonometry. Question is that what is trigonometry? Student, this is the new topic for all of you. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is derived from three Greek words: tri, plus gon plus metron. Student, what is the meaning of tri? Tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means to measure. To measure. Trigonometry is derived from three Greek words: tri plus gon plus metron. Trigonometry is the study Trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of triangles. Trigonometry is the study of relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Student, in class 10th, we will discuss about right angle triangle. In class 10th, we will discuss about right angled triangle. Already you know that, student, what is the right angle triangle? This is right angle triangle. Suppose if you nominated A, B and C. Right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree, that is called right angle triangle. This is the base denoted by B. This is perpendicular denoted by capital P, and this is hypotenuse denoted by capital H. Trigonometry also follows Pythagoras theorem. With the help of, next question is that, student, how you can measure sides and angle of right angle triangle. We can measure sides and angle with the help of trigonometric ratio. Trigonometry also follows trigonometry also follows Pythagoras theorem. Student, already you know about Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. With the help of trigonometry, we can measure sides and angle of a triangle with the help of trigonometric ratio. Next thing is that, student, what is the T ratio? Student, trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio short form is T ratio. What is this? T ratio is the relation. T ratio is the relation between any two sides of a right angled triangle. T ratio is the relation between any two sides of a right angled triangle. Student, already you have studied about T ratio. Ratio is the relation between any same kinds of quantity. There are 6 types of T ratio. 6 type of T ratio is possible in triangle. Student, T ratio is the relation between any two sides, perpendicular by base or base by perpendicular, perpendicular by hypotenuse or hypotenuse by perpendicular, base by hypotenuse or hypotenuse by base. There are 6 types. First is what? Sine. If we suppose this is theta, this angle is theta, this is sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and reciprocal is cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. What is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. And cosec is reciprocal of sine. You can write h by b. This is reciprocal of cos, h by b, and this is reciprocal of tan, b by b. So you can write perpendicular is nominated by AB by AC, and base BC by AC, and this is AB by BC. Reciprocal is AC by AB, and this is AC by BC, and this is AB by BC. This is BC by AB. स्टूडेंट, इसको याद करने का एक ही तरीका है स्टूडेंट, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हरि हरि बोल, और पाकिस्तान भूखा प्यासा, हिंदुस्तान हरा भरा। C, this is P by H sin theta, and this is cos theta, and this is tan theta, and reciprocal already you learn it. And with the help of T ratio you can find if two sides and one angle are given, you can find the any sides and angle of a right angle triangle. In next video, student, we will discuss how you can measure the angle and sides. Thank you, student.